Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
My name is Anna, where I'm introducing Julia, the intelligent cooking system by CookingPal. It is comprised of two items. So one would be the smart kitchen appliance that is right here, and the smart kitchen hub. Now, smart kitchen appliance comes with a set of accessories that allow you to perform multiple cooking functions. You'll be able to mix and chop and knead and steam and boil all in one device. So right at the bottom there, we've got the heating. It's got the blade. It's got the heating unit. You'll be able to put a steamer on top and perform all of that. Now, the way to operate it is with the smart kitchen hub that has a collection of video and photo guided recipes. So you'll be able to select one. You'll see the list of ingredients, step and time. You'll be able to shop the recipe, and it's going to guide you basically step by step. Wait, I'll just need to find one recipe to show you. For example, the pink starter smoothie. We've been cooking it at the booth earlier today in the morning. So once you start cooking, it's going to show you with the video what to do with the text. It's going to guide you step by step. It will have how much of ingredients you're putting in, so you don't need to use the scale. With the preset of, it's got the preset of timer and speed and the temperature for you. So the only thing you'll need to do is put the ingredients in and press start, and it's going to start cooking. At the same time, you will be able to operate it with Amazon Alexa. You'll have a camera built in, so you'll be able to take a photo of the ingredients, and it's going to suggest you what to cook based on what you have. So this is our Julia.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.